So a friend of mine said that she takes sourdough and makes dinner rolls out of them. So I thought I'd give that a try. So I basically took my normal recipe for making a sourdough loaf, and at the time of shaping, I just turned them into 12 little mini loaves. So I'm gonna try this out. I've never done this before. I'm going to simulate a Dutch oven by inverting a sheet pan and then taking a loaf, these turkey loaf things, and using that as the cover. So I'm going to transfer these guys. I've got my dual-edged 𝐒𝐴𝐚, which has the straight and the curved blades. I'm going to use the curved blades for a few of these guys. And I'll leave the last three intact. It's already preheated oven. In there, this thing. Keep some of that steam in. All right. I'm gonna set it for 14 minutes. So we'll remove the lid after 14 minutes. All right, here's halfway through. See the big reveal. Ooh. Looking nice and cute. I'm gonna let them cook for another, say 12 minutes. All right, here are these beauties. Beauties. It's been about 13 to 14 minutes. And I think pretty crusty actually, so the color looks good. Hopefully once they cool off, we'll cut into them and they'll be nice and sourdoughy. And I'm pretty happy with how they look.